I would like to show you the differences in the sensitivity of the throttles of the 2023 Escape versus the 2024. This is a 23, you can tell because the screen's not colored, it doesn't have the seat, among other things, but I've gone through that in another video. If I demonstrate you here, I like to use the throttle to get going. It's zippy. Throttle on, woo-wee! Now I'll show you the 2024. Still peppy, but not as sensitive. On 1, 2, 3, go. See how mine's faster? Woo! They're fast. It's not a huge difference. I don't want to scare anybody here because the 2023s are freaking awesome. But just to show, there's a little bit of difference. And this is feedback that we have because we have customers come here and do test drives. Try this one, try that one. And yeah, so I thought I would just bring this to YouTube. Okay. This one has the spring seat, so it's a little taller also in the 2023. Okay. All right, we take off. 1, 2, 3, go. You're going along and then, woo! I like it though. Woo! Woo!